Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am going to take you to the beautiful Elephant Falls, which is situated at the outskirts of the main city of Shillong. It is located in the Upper Shillong area, which is approximately 12 kilometers away from the Shillong city center. This is the parking area of the fall. There are few shops selling water, snacks and some souvenirs. This fall is one of the most popular falls in the northeast India. It is a tourist paradise with 3 layers of falls. The name Elephant Falls was given by British officers who discovered its existence, and there was a curious rock on one side of the falls which resembled an elephant. The rock was, however, destroyed in an earthquake in the year 1897. It is a waterfall which has a total of 3 falls at 3 different levels. The first step of waterfall is broad and sluggish and is lost among the dense forests all around. The second fall have thin strands of water. The third and the most important fall comprises of sheer vertical drops and a cascading flow of water, which makes the fall one of the best waterfalls in the country. The waterfall can be visited at any time of the year. I visited there on 14th of March and it had decent amount of water flow. It has many steps which are fairly steep, but the weather was pleasant and the view was very beautiful and soothing to the eyes. I hope you liked the video, and the next time you visit Shillong, you will give this place a visit. Please like and comment down your valuable feedback, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, stay happy and stay positive.